Damn it. Oh my god, that umbris was so sick. That umbris was so sick. But then it died. Then I tried to recover it. And then I failed. Did I just jump off the branch? I think I did. Nice. Done that once before, but I thought my eyes were playing tricks on me. Whoa, that was a good Velden. Did nice, did nice. I'm probably never going to get that umbris again during a run. Damn it, that would have been so good. Fuck. That's a fail. No, it's not. I got cockblocked by that. It's cool. Went too far to the left. So either you jump on that or you go under it, but I didn't do anything, so. Shit, why did I jump for? Ooh, I still made it. I meant to side jump there, but it didn't work. Dude, nice. That was the best train. Like, everything turned out good. He actually died, holy shit. Novalis was pretty good, I would have had a good run, but I fucked up on that planet. Fuck, I didn't change, fuck. God damn it. Have to fuck up somewhere, and it's that bit. Yes, first try. First try, yay. Okay, that was good. That block station was really, really good. When you hear that sound, it means you've done it correctly. When you hear that, like, bridge sound, it means you've done it correct. And if you get in the water before that bridge sound, that means you've done it wrong. That's how I know I've done it right. Well, that's how I know when to drop in the water. Which is pretty cool. Okay, last run I fucked this up, so fucked it up again. Oh no, I could have had that. I could have had that. Whatever. Going to umbris with 8 minutes. Dang. Okay, let's just hope I have a good thingy. Last time I made it all the way there, and then at the bridge I made it all the way there, but I cancelled it accidentally, and then I long jumped, and then I fucked it up. Shit. Yeah, I fluke it though. Like I just mashed the fuck out of everything. So let's just do it again. Nope. See, that's what happened. That's what fucking happened last time. Should reset. Gonna go for one more. And then get the ledge. This is a very bad umbris, but I had so much time save. See, that's what happened. Eats my PDA at that point. Fuck you too, game. Go. shit. Still PB based, but like, imagine how much time save I could have had if I didn't get that mistake. Like, it eats my PDA at that point. I tried to stop it, but that thing's just becoming way more consistent. Whatever. Fuck. Nice. I did that thing, but I didn't land on the right one, which was expected because I didn't fully side jump. But that's so cool. Yay. Thirteen. Fuck off. Wow, that was like ledge. I need to get on this boat within 15 minutes. Yeah, I lost so much time on umbris. Oh my god. Like, it's not even that funny. Like, I lost so much time. It's alright, but this one's pretty good. I had time saved, so I guess I didn't really lose any time, but imagine if I got umbris first try. Like, I did everything, you know, decent, not the best, just decent. I would have a really good time. Too fast. Yeah, I was definitely too fast. Fuck. So consistent at that now. Come on, dude. Holy shit, this RNG. Fuck me, yes. Shit. No. Damn it, I had to miss one. Are you fucking serious? God damn it. One left. That mean though? This run's just as bad as dead, but it's okay. Nice. Whoa. And I died. I pulled a Nico. Yes! I'm so happy. Fuck yeah. During a good run. And I was holding forward. Nice. Fuck yes. I'm happy. Getting the fucking shit wrecked. Dude, I'm considering clipping through that door, man. Just because of that. I'm just considering it. Clipping through that fucking door. Okay, I'm gonna go for the rhino strats here. If I fall off, I won't be happy. Dude. Fuck you doing? Okay, I didn't know you could do it from here. Shit. Where am I? Okay, whatever I just did, it worked. Cool. Please don't fall off, Ratchet. Yes! Saved like 10 seconds because of that. So glad I didn't fall off. Shit. Get in the fucking ship. Got the backup. I should probably explain the backup. If you get stuck in the decoy clip and you don't move forward, you get the PDA out, and every time you try to move forward, you open up the PDA, so it stops you. So as soon as you see the camera move forward, you open up the PDA, then you stop it. Because if you move too much forward, you will fall. So that's just the backup I found. Pretty useful. I mean, it could save like within 10 seconds. So as soon as you're seeing the camera move forward, you gotta open up PDA straight away. Unless you're like a god and your like sensitive reaction time's so good, you can just do it like that. But I can't. Okay, so fuck you to that dude. Okay, you get a first try. Nice, got a second try. So that's the cool backup. Yeah. Come on. Yes. That was pretty fast. Okay. Okay, whatever, I just I wasted like 5 seconds then. Hopefully I get this first try. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was lag input. Shit. Okay, please. Nice. Nice, got that first try. Okay, cool. Dude, nice. What? What the fuck? Okay, that was pretty bad. I failed the harder clip. I mean, I failed the easiest clip, the easier clip, and I got the hard clip. How did that fucking work? Doesn't matter though. Hopefully this is PB based. Fuck yeah. Yes. Okay, my heart can start beating again. Fucking hell, that's just risky. That last SI is always a risky one, man. Like, you have to get it on point. I guess you can call it that. On point. Okay, cool. No PDAs got eaten. Shit. Yes! Fuck yes! Fuck yes! Fuck yeah! Shit, don't fall. Oh my god. Fuck yeah. I've already done that like 10 times in a run, so that's always pretty sick. Dude, what the fuck? Is this real? Is this fucking real? What? What? This is perfect drek. It was giving me bombs anyway. I think I just saw the last frame. Okay, I'm not fucking anything up here. Go. Go. Alright, fuck you didn't give me bombs. fucking died. Go. Done. That was intense. Okay, well, that's about a 30-25 or something. Holy shit, if I didn't fuck up on umbris, I'm pretty sure that would have been a sub 30. Oh my god, my goal. Alright, thanks for watching everyone, and bye. And plus, this was also a perfect drag, almost perfect drag, bye.